Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I got 15 radios from Jeff King. He loans me radios out of his collection to show you. And this one is a Montgomery Ward's Airline 6-band portable radio. Not sure of the vintage. I would say maybe 1960s. The 6 bands are AM Marine Band, which is 1.6 megahertz to 3.5 megahertz, FM Air Band, Police Band 1, which is 30 megahertz to 50 megahertz, and Police Band 2, which is 148 to 175. Now, back then, in the 1960 time frame, there were police on those two bands, the around 45, 46 megahertz, and are up around 156 megahertz. They no longer they're there. The police, fire, and EMS are up in the 800 megahertz band. Anyway, oops, there are some little speckles of paint on this on the top. He got this as a gift from one of his clients. It belonged to her husband who died. And he said originally when he got it, it had been sitting for a long time and the controls were very noisy. He did put some detox on it, cleaned them up a little bit, but then he ran out of detox. And so they're still a little noisy. I didn't notice the noise. It uses either, let me turn it around here, a AC adapter built in. You need a power cord right there. I have a power cord for it, but since he hasn't tried it, I'm not going to. Or it uses 4 D-cell batteries, which is what I've installed. Over here is the band select. See if I can get the lighting correct. To select the various bands. Carrying handle, which does fold down, will fold to the back. And if I put the telescopic antenna down, then it will fold out of the way. Telescopic antenna, which is a little stiff, but it's about 2 feet long. This is kind of an interesting thing right here. See if I can show it to you a little better. This is a battery indicator, or when the radio's on, it tells you the signal strength. It's actually a meter. It goes up and down, little needle in there. Don't know if you can see it. On-off switch, volume, and tone control. This is, believe it or not, this is the tuning knob, which is pretty small. There is a automatic frequency control button, and here is a button called DL, and that Jeff told me that stood for dial light, which does not work. Okay, over here we have 3 connectors. Oops, let me get that antenna down before I break it. There. Kind of hard to read because it's just embossing on black, but they are, oh boy, I'm gonna have to get my magnifying glass. It's getting old is not for sissies. I read them yesterday and now I've forgotten already. Auxiliary speaker and stereo FM out. Alrighty. Boy, it's hell getting old. Okay. Let's see if it works. So we'll turn it on. When we turn the volume down, turn it on. Okay, then that battery indicator is now turned into a signal strength, and it's reading at the top. As the signal gets stronger, it goes down. Again, you probably can't see it. So we're going to try. Start from the bottom on the AM band. There's the AM band, okay. And we'll turn the volume up a little bit. And then we'll use this little knob here to tune. It's all the way over there. Let me turn the volume down and go all the way over to this side. And now we'll turn the volume up. And we'll tune. Getting noise from my office. Okay, should be getting something right about here.
Problem with it. Like,
yep, there we go.
Right back up. It's not like he went charging after Matto.
Good size speaker.
And there was no penalty called on the play. So
we changed the tone because it sounds a little tinny.
I try to be pretty clear-eyed about these things. I think there have been other plays where guys have gotten hit in the head, and sometimes it's a hit that's not intended to be.
Okay, that gets rid of the tinny, and there was a little bit of background noise. Let's go on.
Saludos Luisa, Jake Lemuel, también Eva.
Not picking up as many stations as it should.
Guys that were running it after Hewitt died. Not in 100 years.
Getting the strong stations.
For up to half the price you're paying now. Pitch should be the move.
Good and clear once it gets to station. Still not bad. Now, I don't know if it's still true, but it used to be that AM stations had to reduce their power at night, and it's 7 o'clock in the morning, so I don't think it's considered night because the sun is coming up, so that might be why I'm not receiving as many stations. I don't know if that's still true or not. Let's go to the next band, which is FM. I think it's FM. No, it's Marine Band. Okay, so we're on the Marine Band, which is 1.6 megahertz to 3.5 megahertz. I think that will use a telescopic antenna. So I'm going to extend that because all the rest of the bands will use that. Okay, it's fully extended. Turn the volume up. We're all the way over here at 3.5. Don't think I'll hear much down there. Again, I'm in my office, lots of RF. No. Didn't pick up anything. Now, since the Marine Band starts at 1.6, it will pick up the extended AM band that goes beyond 1.6. So that's probably what we're hearing here. That is about 1.7. Yeah, there we go. That's the medium wave band. That's at 1.6. Jeff didn't mention in his notes whether this had been refurbished or not. So this may be the original configuration, which, like I say, it's quite old, and so probably needs a tune-up and caps replaced. So let's go up to the FM band. Oh, didn't mention, but the little indicator over there shows you the band. See it, white thing move? So that tells you what band you've selected. Okay, we're on FM band. We're down at the bottom of the band. Let's see if we can get that station across the bay for me, which is at, I think, 89.7. There's one at 88 something. That should be it about there.
Still getting vaccinated at disproportionately lower rates.
So it's getting FM good.
Or because of lack of access.
Yeah, that's strong. Oh yeah, we're getting a lot of FM stations.
Hacer como un proyecto juntos.
Yeah. Okay, so I don't need to continue to scan the FM band. It's doing a great job of receiving FM stations. So let's go to the air band. Might get the local little airport that broadcasts weather information continuously. Might get that. I don't remember the frequency. Let's go to the end of the band, back down to 108. Okay, that's picking up an FM station. Try to go slow here. Turn the volume up some more. Noise. Nope, I thought it would be around 120, but I haven't heard anything yet. Noise. Noise. I could have been going right past it. No. No. Oop. What was that?
2057
Oh. There we go.
Hello, 260, good morning, ladies. 2057.
That sounds like maybe Tampa International. 136. That was coming in good. Okay, let's try the next one, which is Police Band 1. Probably won't find anything on that. That's 30 to 50 megahertz. Start way down at the end. Turn the volume up. Actually, the dials are and sliders are quiet, so Jeff, the detox did work. Yeah, nothing down here. Yeah, that's pretty dead. Yeah, that's as I suspected. Not much down there anymore. 146, is it 46 or 40? 148. Wow, that's an FM station bleeding in. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I went down. Where am I? I'm on the air band. Oh, okay. I'm at the. Wait a minute. I'm at the bottom of the air band, which is the top of the FM band. So I went the wrong direction. There we go. That was a little noisy switching between those police bands. Maybe that I didn't have good contact when I was on Police Band 1. Anyway, here we go. Turn the volume back up. I might actually hear a business band radio, but they're not real busy. Now it does include the weather band here for NOAA weather. See if I can get NOAA weather. Should be able to get at least one station. No. There it is.
Seas 2 to 3 feet.
Yeah.
Bay and inland waters a moderate chop.
So I got one. That's it. Okay, that's it. I think we covered everything. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. Again, this time he brought me 15 radios. So I got a bunch of radios, all kinds of radios, real old radios, very new radios. You're going to see them thanks to Jeff. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.